So in my previous video, like the idiot I am, I recorded my video without no sound, and so, yeah, that failed extremely, and, cries myself to sleep because I'm a freaking idiot. Why did I do that? I do record my videos with an English accent, mostly because I know how to do them, but, I'm actually Russian, so, yeah. Yeah, excuse me, I'm about to speak Russian right now. Anyways, I'd like to give a shout out to my friend Abigail and James. They're both really nice people, and I just hope you guys, find them nice too, because they're just amazing. Hold on. James is being a smart aleck. Anyways, so yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be recording another video today. Probably I'm gonna record 2 videos each day, so it'll probably be like me and having 1,000 videos and only 1 subscriber. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm so happy you guys are my subscribers. I said subscribers. Anyways, so yeah, this is a Russian status, by the way, and I know there isn't a Russian server. Sorry guys. Anyways, goodbye everybody.